Hey, it was really good, guys. Axtuo again, I'm saying. I got this 2013 Chevy Captiva. It's what we're gonna do. Yep, that's right. Part number is right here. 192065999. Wheel hub assembly. This one comes with the sensor. You know what I'm saying? So don't worry about the old one. I'm gonna do this because it's shaking, right? I'm gonna do a 19mm socket to remove the tires. I don't want to forget the brand, SKF. Alright. So once we remove the tire, let's see what we can see here. It's really hot today. I don't know how hot, but okay, this is a sensor. Just gonna put it right here, like that. Pop. Don't worry about this. I'm gonna leave it hanging over there. And here in the back. Okay. We're gonna have to remove this caliper. 2 bolts. One here and one here at the bottom. You see it, you know, vibes right there. Okay. Then we're gonna remove the rotor just to make it easier. Alright, so I removed the caliper. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hang it over there. Alright. So it's not hanging from the holes. You don't wanna damage the holes. We're gonna use we're gonna remove this bolt right here. What is it like that? I'll let you know what it is. Alright, this guy right here is gonna be a T30, right? Remove it and then remove the rotor. Now once you remove the rotor, you're gonna see 3 bolts. One there, one here, one here. So 3 bolts hold the wheel hub assembly. Okay. Now if you come to the back, you can see this one, that's right there. Hit it with a 15mm socket. 2 8 inches extension, 3/8, so you have the space. Alright, remove it. Then hit this guy. Hammer it. Alright, so it come out. That's it. I have to remove this one. It's gonna be 35mm. Alright. So when you remove the old wheel hub assembly, you're gonna see this. You can scratch it with a flat screwdriver. Over here, put some grease so the new wheel hub assembly goes in easily. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much. Just put it in and put everything back. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna be here with you. You know what I'm saying? Now we put the nut back. Don't forget the plate. Alright. Right here is the little thing that hold the sensor. Alright. You see the bolts over there. So Gucci, all back, tied it. That's pretty much it. Put everything back. And before you forget, don't forget to connect the sensor. You know what I'm saying? There you go. That's it. Alright, put the tire and road test it and look for any weird sound or grinding noise.